trusting Sally. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Spotlight on Otis Redding now. Singing bam, 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 bam. Oh yeah, get it, Otis. Spotlight on James Brown, y'all. He's the king of them all, y'all. He's the king of them all, y'all. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Do you like good music? That sweet soul music. Just go with the swing it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I got to get the feeling. I got to get the feeling. Do you like good music? That sweet soul music. Help me get the feeling. I won't forget the feeling. Otis Redding got the feeling. James Brown, he got the feeling. Oh, I love good.
Like, tap that heart, subscribe and ring the bell, drop a comment, and hey, share it with your friends. Want to know what every lyric really means? Head to ulyric.com. Get the story behind every line of
Woof, woof, hit this thing!
Fine.
More snacks, please!
Subscribe or I call mom. Good job, team.
I still don't care.
But we got snacks, right?
Like and